I think this is just the weirdest thing I've seen.
Yeah.
This is the same Altezza gearbox.
No, this gearbox is from a Mac. It's a 5-speed. I would proudly say this is one of the only 5-speed Altezzas out there in Zambia.
Then what are the rest are like
They're
6?
6 speeds. Yes.
Okay. I was about to say 4, but that was going to be weird.
Yeah, that was good.
I guess this feels weird. I don't know.
Huh?
It feels weird to see you shift speed.
Been used now. Very used. Ready?
Wow, that felt smooth.
It is.
That felt really smooth. I never forgot. You rebuilt the engine.
Yeah, man, I had to.
Wow.
The old one had leaks, and then there were some components that it had that I didn't like. So I had to change them out.
I like the fact that it still feels like it's still the same power.
Yep. It is. Where are you up to? Alright.
That's one car I really.
Still blocking. I'm sitting, guys.
Yeah. It's so smooth. So smooth. Like it's like flawless. You're not even doing anything. That's how it feels.
So now, let's see what it feels like when it's done.
It's scared.
You want to come and try? So yeah.
That's nice. Ah.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
I know I never even opened up the video, but I couldn't help but sneak peek on this E30. I don't know if you guys watch Altezza Siame. I think that's his E30. Here he's got a YouTube channel. Let me just try and zoom in. I don't know how good you can see that. He's got an E30 and he's got a YouTube channel. So just search up for Altezza Siame. I'm sure he's not around at the moment. Otherwise, if he's going to watch this video, I hope he can link up with me so that maybe we can make a video. But I'm here by Ilile Mafia, and all thanks to JB. I really have to give a big thanks to him. It's like he's put me onto the car industry, sort of, yeah, in a way, and I'm really appreciative for that. Because I mean, look at all these cars. I don't even know which cars I can view, so I'll try and blur up the video. But there's this sick 280Z, if I'm not mistaken. There's this nice Chesa. I like the hood. It's vented, even though it's just like a shell. It has literally nothing in it. There's this F80, if I'm not mistaken. There's this E92. This is one of my favorite cars. If I had to own a BM, it would be one of those. And then there's like this really nice R33. I wish we went through it with JB, but he just had to step out. And then there's what car is this again? This is a Crown. He said it has a 1JZ. And then there's a Chesa, which might be just a shell. Then there's another Crown. Yeah, that one is running a very special engine. JB showed it to me, but unfortunately I can't show you guys. And then there's another E91. You should be an E91 BMW. I'm not really sure, but yeah, there's just a bunch of really cool cars. Man, who doesn't love cars? If you're on this channel, you need to love cars. So just look at this ass. I love the color on it. I don't know if this is midnight purple. No, that's not midnight purple. This is not midnight purple, is it? It's like a purplish with some, I don't know, but it's not midnight purple. Is it? Comment below. It's really sweet. And then there's this Chesa. My camera is really not good in like at night, but that's a very cool Chesa. I don't know if I can show it, so I don't want to show off too much, lest I get into trouble or anything. But this is cool. I'm really enjoying my day. It's been a twist. I wasn't really expecting it to be like this, and being in a drift car for the second time since 2017, 18, somewhere like that. This is really, really cool. And wish I could spin it as well, but I can't. It's so dope, so dope. I really love cars, and I hope you guys love cars as well. Just as the sunset is going down. Wow, that looks so good. So good. I feel like this is my second time being in a drift car. Huh? Last time was BMW E36, and it felt rough. Like, I don't know if it had less power because it was clutch kicking it a lot.
Well, I know this has less power than the BMW. That's for sure. It's 1G, let's say, and these are meant to be reliable, not really to be powerful.
Is this your breather?
That's my catch card.
Oh, that's a catch card.
My oil catch card. DIY. Even though now I have an actual oil catch card, so I just need to install it. I've got an e-brake, an actual oil catch card. Dude, this radiator is saying, If you watch the Palapak videos, this radiator is saying, not even once did it overheat.
For real?
This radiator with this crack, it had all these things, but it never gave up. It spun forever.
My adrenaline is high now.
It spun forever.
Yo, the kids in the Altezza.
Hey. It looks so smooth.
Yeah, no.
It's very smooth.
Oh, I guess it's not that. No.
I like the size of the wheels. It looks sick from behind. Drive it like it's yours. Drive it like it's yours.
I know it doesn't. 20s are suffering. I hope I'm not going to this car. I bash it like that. Don't remove your car, please. Gone, man. I'm gone, David. I'm gone. No, I'm gone. I was not scaring the guy. I ain't doing it. Maido.